Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about why maths matter in early childhood education. Why does maths matter? Especially I'm talking about early mathematics, which is the mathematics that is done in the preschool, in the early childhood centers, anything maths that is related with early childhood education. So, this particular paper that I'm referring to right now is briefed by Susan Soor. This is a really good briefing, actually done by a couple of references. So, I thought of going through this paper to show the important things, the importance of maths in early childhood education. Why does maths matter? There is strong evidence to suggest that supporting children's early mathematics, especially in the home, has a positive impact on long term attainment in mathematics and in other areas of learning and development. Effective preschool, primary, and secondary education projects, which is also known as EPPSE, Effective Primary School, Primary and Secondary Education Project, followed over 3,000 children from preschool age to the end of their secondary education. Researchers found that playing with and learning numbers was one of the seven key early home learning activities that were closely linked with children's overall attainment on entry to school at the age of 7, age 11, and beyond. The same study also found that a strong early home learning environment had a significant positive effect on children's attainment in mathematics at the age of 7, at the age of 11. Yeah, so they have found some kind of research done has found that playing with and learning numbers was one of the seven key early home learning activities that were closely linked with children's overall attainment on entry to school at the age of 7, at the age of 11, and beyond. So, looking ahead to adulthood, the available evidence shows both the positive lifetime impact of acquiring mathematical skills and potential limitations of not doing so. Professor Sir Adrian Smith's review of the post 16 mathematics comments that well established evidence shows that adults with basic numeracy skills earn higher wages and are more likely to be in employment than those who fail to master their skills. So that's actually a good finding. So Professor Adrian Smith's review on his post 16 mathematics said that adults with basic numeracy skills earn higher wages and are more likely to be employed than the others. The same review also highlighted that the importance of mathematics skills and techniques across a wide number of academic disciplines and areas of employment, with the demand for quantitative skills only likely to grow due to increasing computerization. Yes, that's true as well. On the other hand, poor mathematical skills may have a negative impact that is wider than an individual's educational or employment opportunities. So the early research that we talked about shows that how uh, lack of numeracy skills affect your employment opportunities and the wages. But uh, in general, poor mathematical skills not only impact on the employment opportunities, but is very widely affecting your life in general. So, research conducted by the Money Advice Service found that participants' level of numeracy was strongly linked to their financial capabilities, especially the frequency of savings and the ability to manage day to day finances. This association was found to be true even when income levels and other factors were taken into account. So another research done shows that the the frequency of savings, the ability to manage day-to-day finances by an individual also is affected by the level of mathematical skills. If you have a poor mathematical skills, especially in your school years, you're more likely to have less ability to manage your day-to-day finances and less frequency of savings. So research also highlighted the importance of people being able to make sense of numerical information to make health decisions. For example, being able to understand the nutritional information on a food label, understand risks or self manage some health conditions. Research into cor- colorectal cancer screening found that 46% of respondents gave the incorrect answer when asked if a risk of 1 in 100, 1 in 10, and 1 in 1000 resulted in more chances of getting the disease. So, during this cancer screening, the respondents out of 100 respondents, 46 respondents gave the incorrect answer when they asked the question, who has the higher risk of getting the disease? Is it 1 in 100, 1 in 10, or 1 in 1000? So all this research is done shows that how important the math is during the school years, especially during the early years. During early childhood education, maths is something that every child should improve the numeracy skills, the problem solving skills, the sorting skills, different kinds of skills that are coming under this category of early mathematics is very important. So, as teachers and parents, it is very important to focus on developing these numeracy and maths, especially early math skills from the age of the toddlerhood. From the age of toddlerhood, even your child is not going to preschool, involving them in day-to-day activities, counting with them, being an adult role model is very important for them to learn through observing. So that's it. So we talked about why does maths matter. So we'll see in the next one.